Hi, today I am back with another interesting video for you. We will talk about 10 healthy foods rich in vitamin D, providing you with a variety of options to incorporate into your diet and ensure adequate vitamin D intake. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, supporting the immune system, and promoting overall well-being. While our bodies can synthesize vitamin D through exposure to sunlight, certain foods are also excellent sources of this vital vitamin. Sardines are small, oily fish belonging to the herring family, Clypeidae. They are widely distributed and can be found in oceans around the world. These fish are named after the Mediterranean island of Sardinia, where they were once abundant. Sardines are an excellent source of vitamin D. Sardines are one of the best natural sources of vitamin D. A 3.5-ounce serving of canned sardines typically provides around 480 IU of vitamin D, which is more than the daily recommended intake for most adults. Cod liver oil is a nutrient-rich oil derived from the liver of codfish, Gadus morhua, a species of fish found in the North Atlantic and other cold-water regions. It has been consumed as a traditional remedy for various health conditions for centuries. Cod liver oil is renowned for its high content of essential vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a popular dietary supplement. Cod liver oil is a potent supplement that offers an exceptional amount of vitamin D. It is derived from the liver of codfish and is available in liquid or capsule form. A single tablespoon of cod liver oil can provide around 1,300 IU of vitamin D, making it an efficient way to boost your intake. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, making them a convenient and versatile option to add to your diet. While the exact amount of vitamin D can vary depending on the chicken's diet and exposure to sunlight. 2 large egg yolks typically offer around 50 IU of vitamin D. Beef liver is a nutrient-dense organ meat that provides not only vitamin D, but also a rich source of other essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins. A 3.5-ounce serving of beef liver can supply approximately 50 IU of vitamin D. Mushrooms, particularly those exposed to ultraviolet light during growth, are unique plant-based sources of vitamin D. They naturally synthesize this vitamin, making them a suitable option for vegetarians and vegans. About 2.5 ounces of raw, exposed mushrooms can offer around 100 IU of vitamin D. Some varieties of cheese contain moderate amounts of vitamin D. For example, Swiss cheese can provide around 6 IU per ounce. While cheese should be consumed in moderation due to its high calorie and fat content, it can be a tasty addition to your diet. Oysters are not only delicious, but also a good source of vitamin D. 6 medium-sized oysters can provide approximately 70 to 120 IU of vitamin D, along with other essential minerals like zinc. Rainbow trout is a delicious freshwater fish. This is a good source of vitamin D. A 3.5-ounce serving of cooked rainbow trout can supply around 570 IU of vitamin D. Tofu, a popular soy-based protein. Tofu can be an excellent source of vitamin D if it is fortified. Check the label to find varieties that are fortified with vitamin D, as the content can vary depending on the brand. Chicken, especially chicken breast, contains a small amount of vitamin D. While it's not as rich in vitamin D as fatty fish, incorporating chicken into your diet can still contribute to your overall intake. Remember, if you have specific dietary restrictions or concerns about your vitamin D intake, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.